Hi, my name is Jing Xuan and I'm from class E1. My project is on the flat barrier turnstile. So in this video, I'll be going through the project story or background, project objective statement, project concept, design or hand sketching, project development, task and action sequence, the finalized circuit photo, and the challenges faced during the project development. The flat barrier turnstile allows one user to pass at a time. It restricts passage only to people who insert a ticket or card to control people entering or exiting restricted areas. In case of emergency, the turnstile barriers will open automatically to allow free passage. The project objective is to reduce manpower, fast response, alarm function in case of emergency, be it fire, malfunction, and so on, and an LED indicator, and lastly, low maintenance. So on the left side, we have a picture showing the concept, which is the MRT flat barrier turnstile, and on the right side is the hand sketching of the prototype. For the project development, I am using the cardboard to build the prototype and the motors as the barriers, LED to alert users of the time left before the barriers close, and the buzzer to alert users when the barriers are closing, and the IR sensor as the main input element. For the task, turnstile barriers will open when the IR sensor activates. Turnstile barriers will be in the closed position permanently when the emergency button activates. Turnstile barriers will be in the closed position and goes back to working condition again when the startup button activates. For the action sequence, when the shutdown button activates, the red LED will turn off, followed by barriers will open, yellow LED blinks, yellow LED turns on, followed by buzzer sounds. When the startup button activates, yellow LED turns off, followed by red LED blinks, followed by the buzzer sounding, and the barriers will be in the closed position. And lastly, the red LED turns on. For the third action sequence, when the IR sensor activates, barriers will open, red LED turns off, followed by the green LED blinks, buzzer sounds, and the barriers will return back to closed position, and the green LED turns off, and lastly the red LED turns back on again. In this slide, we have the finalized circuit photo. On the left side, we have three pictures showing what the circuit will look like inside of the prototype, which is shown on the right side of the slide. These are the challenges faced during the project development. It was difficult to make the motor turn to a specific angle to the open and closed position, and allowing the motors to turn simultaneously. And lastly, it was quite challenging to adjust to the appropriate detection range of the IR sensor. Thank you for your time and I hope that you enjoyed this presentation.